Isizwe siqwalasela usuku lelifa lemveli, inkampani iNational Energy System Operator okanye iNESO ngamafuphi ibambisene nezikolo zaseSoweto kumnyhadala wokubhiyozela inkcubeko ezahlukeneyo zaseMzantsi Afrika. Abaququzeleli bathi lo msitho awukhuphi nje ibhongo neqhayiya ngokuzazi phakathi kwabafundi kodwa ukwabulumkisa ngempembelelo ezimbi ekuhlaleni. iNESO inethemba lokwazi ngcono ngelifa lemveli kuya kunceda abantu abatsha bakhethe inkcubeko kuneziyobisi.
Bekuwusuku olukhulu olugcwele injabulo nentokozo kubantu baseNingizimu Afrika njengoba bebebungaza usuku lwamagugu osukwini lanamhlanje, kanti iqembu elibizwa ngeNESO ngokubambisana nezinhlaka ezahlukahlukene okubalwa kuzo nezikole zaseSoweto babe nomcimbi oyingqayizivele endaweni yaseDiepkloof namhlanje, la khona abantwana bebehlobile bebahle ngokuhlukahlukana kwamasiko abo. Ongumdidiyeli walomcimbi ubesehlube indlu ekhasini ngalomcimbi. Uthi inhloso nqangi yosuku lwanamhlanje bekuwukufundisa abantwana besabancane ngosiko lwabo kwazise isiZulu siseligotshwa lisemanzi.
Today, as we are celebrating our 5th year, so we have groups that are in traditional dancing. You've got indigenous games that are happening today. So as in communication, we also invited, some our sponsors, our VIPs, the group leaders. They are all here celebrating the day today. It's been a journey, and we really appreciate the communities, the sponsors that we have, all the partnership that we have. It's really appreciated because it's making us grow. It gives us that sense that, at least we are on the right direction, especially when it comes to our youth.
Khona manjalo omunye obehambele lemcimbi oneqembu labantwana abaqeqeshayo abafundisa ukudansa ubese Phawula kabanzi ngaleli qembu uthe kwamenza waqoqa leli qembu labantwana kwakubona igebe elivulekile ukuthi abantwana baba nesithukuthezi bagcina sebengena esidakamizweni.
Njalo benibangibuye emsebenzini ngithola abantwana abahlele abenza niksi kuba yilabo nje few badlala ibhola ngathi no, we can do something labantwana ngaqoqa abantwana ke. So I'm dealing with music, drama ne dance. So for now sizena labo music ngoba sizozimaketha Nkosi yami. Next month siyahamba sangenela i-competition la eGauteng bawina bathola position 1. Now bayahamba baya eCape Town next month. Isiloku sikokota bayabuya basidecline ama-company. Sisethembe emkhulu ekweni ukuthi sofika eCape Town.
Ubesecela inxusa abazali babantwana ukuba bakusuku